Alright, so let's take a look at how to create your Google Hangout, your Hangouts on air that's going to be live. And so you're just going to go to the page and we'll have a link for this. If you really need to, you can just Google Hangouts on air and you'll find the link, but I'll have the link for you. Just go ahead right here and create the Hangout on air. You're going to give it a name, so let's just name it Oils 101. And at this point, you're going to make sure that you have you're on the Gmail that's connected to your YouTube channel, because once you hit this, it's going to be live. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and hit this button. We're going to hit share, and this is going to just bring you back to your Google Plus. And now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to hit start right here. Okay, so this is going to bring up your box where your Google Hangout is, your live Google Hangout. Okay, so at this point you can invite guests if you needed to. You don't really have to do this. We're just going to go ahead and skip this. And it looks like my camera is on, so hello everybody. Just going to go ahead and take the camera off for a second so you can see what's going on. Alright, we have some a few things here. I do have some different apps installed that you will not have, but there's a few things you can do here. There's some apps that you can have. There's the control room. You can do different things. There is question and answers and different types of things. But once you have this and you're ready to go, you're gonna want to find your link. And other things that you can do when you're inside a when you're inside a Google Hangout like this that's live, you can share your screen. Super easy. There's a button right there. You can share your screen, share what's on your computer screen, so you can show people what's going on. So, for example, if you're going to be talking about your class, your class that you have going on, you can show your screen. You can put on PowerPoint. You can do all these different kinds of things. It's awesome. And so then we are going to go ahead and find our link for our embed link. So right here we have this link right here. This is your embed link. You're going to embed this into your either a landing page for the Oil Academy, or you're going to put it in the top of your course, right at the top, or you're going to put it in your, I would suggest put it in your very first topic, very first class. And we're going to show you how to do that in a minute, so hang on. Okay, so once you're ready to embed your, before you start your broadcast and you're ready to, to start your class and get it out there, you want to come here and just copy this video embed code right here, and you're going to go over to your class where we have this is the intro. Maybe this is the, this is the first place, the first class you have in your course. And we're going to go ahead and hit the text button, text tab there. And we're going to go ahead and put this in. So this is the HTML. This is the iframe. This is the YouTube video that's going to be live streaming. So as you can see there, you can actually change the height and stuff of this. So if you want to make this bigger, you can. I would suggest making it bigger. So just make 500, maybe 600. 500, and that's just going to make it a little bit bigger so people can see it. And why don't we go ahead and publish this? Gonna make sure this is under the right one. So we'll pick Tim's awesome oil class. We'll update that. So let's view this. Let's check this out. Let's see what this looks like. All right. So as you can see, the video is going to be there. We can center this. Let's see if we can center this. Yeah, sure, we can center that. And the video is going to show up right there. This is going to be live. This is going to be when you're talking, right when you're ready to launch everything. You add that right there. The great thing is now, I didn't add in my featured image there. I don't have any text, but you can add all that kind of stuff, guys. You can add in what you want to be talking about, and then there's the comments. So as you're going on through your going down through your class, if you have a big you know, if it's just an intro, so you want to be live for the first part of your class, that's great. It can be 5 minutes. But if you really want to do your whole entire class, why not talk about every part of your class? And you know, you can have comments here. You can, you know, you can be answering comments as things are going down. But this video is going to be saved on your YouTube channel so that you can have it forever, and you know, replays and all that kind of stuff. So guys, that's how you add the video to your live stream video, and anywhere you can copy and paste that code for your live Google Hangout Live on air, you can have that set. So either it's in a class, like I said, or the beginning of your course. You know, you could put this video. Let's see. Hold on. Let's go back to our main course page. I don't even remember what my awesome. So you could put this video right at the beginning, right at the top of this, so people are watching and be able to click on some of your, you know, some of your courses or some of your classes and stuff. So you could put it up there, and like I said, you could build a landing page for this too. So have fun with it, guys. Live streaming videos is a great way to go with your classes, and a great way to see, you know, for people to see your face and get to know you, and start selling more oils. All right, so good luck, guys.